A woodcutter went up the mountain to chop wood, saw a wounded white fox on the way. The woodcutter felt pity, so he took the white fox home to heal his wounds. He cleaned the white fox's wound, apply herbs, feed him half of what you have every day. White foxes are very human. They never bite. When the woodcutter goes up the mountain to chop wood, he just sat there in the woodshed. It can also help drive away wild animals at night. One pot per person, accompanied by day and night, depend on each other. The relationship is getting deeper and deeper. The white fox gets bigger and bigger, eating more and more amazing. The little money the woodcutter exchanged for chopping wood can't support him anymore. He has also reached the age of starting a family and marrying a wife. You can't live with a fox all your life. Think about it. I'm reluctant to give up. I can only reluctantly send him back to the mountains. Joe crouched beside the white fox. Tell him softly that you have grown up. I can't support you anymore. There is a hidden cave in the back mountain, safe inside, and food. I'll take you there tonight. In the future, I will come to the entrance of the cave to slap I came to see 3 times. You must remember this code. The white fox understood the woodcutter's words, rubbing the back of his hand. I nodded obediently and agreed. That night, the woodcutter carried the white fox over the mountains. Send him to the cave. Tell the agreement again and again. Only 1 step and 3 turns back and leaves reluctantly. Later, the woodcutter became no matter how busy or tired the days are, I will take the time to see the white fox. It's been going on for decades. Wait for him to grow old. Can't walk the mountain road. He passed on the visit to the white fox to his son. The son remembers to entrust and pass it on to the grandson. Generation after generation, hold fast to this promise that spans generations. That white fox eats the fresh fruits of the spiritual herbs in the mountains all year round. Slowly cultivated into a spirit fox, can understand human speech, silently guarding the entire forest behind the mountain. Protect the peace of one party. This promise has been passed down from generation to generation. Finally, it fell to Joe Lu, the descendant of the woodcutter. Joe Lu on his body is usually his duty. I live by going up the mountain to chop firewood every day. Always keep in mind the teachings of your ancestors. Visit the fox on time. I was in awe of him. Never dare to have a bad idea. There is a local Wang Yuanwai. My daughter suddenly got a strange disease. Stay in a coma all day. There was only 1 breath left. Invited all the doctors around. Nothing can be done. The members are so anxious that they wash their faces with tears every day. There is no way. And then there came the wandering Langshang. Tell the lady after giving the pulse, you must use 2 tails of spirit fox fur for drug addiction. To save the lady. In order to save the woman, put up notices in the city immediately. Who can deliver the fox fur within 3 days? Cure my daughter's illness. You betrothed your daughter to him, and share half of his family's property. The news quickly reached Joe Lu's ears. He looked at his own poor jingle. Can't even eat a full meal. Greed suddenly moved in my heart. Can't hold back anymore. On one side is the kindness passed down from ancestors. Can't hurt the fox. On one side is the wealth and glory that has reached the sky in 1 step. Joe Lu was torn in her heart all night. In the end, endless greed completely prevailed. He immediately ran to Yuanhuai's house. Pat your chest and make sure you can do it. He turned around, grabbed the scissors, and hurried back up the hill. He completely forgot the advice of his ancestors. Forget the love between Ling Hu and several generations of his family. All you think about is money and a sweet wife. To the entrance of the cave. Joe Lu slapped 3 times as agreed. The fox slowly came out of the hole. Seeing Joe Lu's eyes still gentle and close, no defenses at all, Joe Lu squeaked. Make the daughter sick. Say it again about needing spirit fox for drug addiction. Spirit Fox remembers the careful care of several generations of the Zhou family. I've been looking for a chance to repay my kindness. He nodded without thinking. Take the initiative to get close to Zhou Lu. Let him cut his own fur. Zhou Lu picked up the scissors, cut off 2 tails of fur. Ling Hu trembled in pain, but never hide. Zhou Lu gets the fur, without a proper thank you. He turned around and ran down the mountain. The lady drank the soup with medicine. He made a full recovery. Members keep their promises. Marry your daughter to Zhou Lu. Give him most of the estate. Zhou Lu became rich overnight. Live in a spacious and stylish mansion. There are slaves around. I was completely blown away. He never went to see the fox again, and showing off to people everywhere. It is said that the spirit fox is its own cash cow. Not long after, something weird just happened in the city. The people merged one after another, and the government tried their best. Still helpless. In desperation, one invited back the previous wandering Longsheng. After checking the epidemic, Longsheng said, "Only the spirit marrow on the spirit fox can dissolve the toxin. Save the whole city." The government immediately put up a notice. Promise to reward anyone who can offer spiritual marrow with 1,000 taels of gold. The smell of home style and fragrance. Zhou Lu saw the notice. The greed in my heart is skyrocketing again. He already has money. It would be even more majestic if I could be an official again. Without a second thought, he took down the notice. The wife sees the danger. Forcefully persuade him not to hurt Ling Hu again. There will be retribution. But Zhou Lu didn't listen at all. He stole a sharp dagger. He rushed to the mountain overnight without telling his family. To the cave. He slapped 3 times as usual. Spirit Fox slowly walked out. Your complexion is much worse than last time. The fur is dull and obvious. I'm still recovering from my last injury. Zhou Lu said nothing. Kneeled down and cry and beg. Said he had received an order from the government. If you don't hand over the spirit marrow, you will be arrested and killed in prison. Ask Ling Hu to help himself again. Spirit Fox looked at him. I am very embarrassed. He wanted to turn around and refuse. But in the end, I remember the old love of several generations. Sighed softly. Still agree. Zhou Lu was overjoyed. Take the mausoleum immediately. The water turns and runs. Never looked back at the weak Ling Hu. After the Ling Shui was handed over to the government, the epidemic in the city soon subsided. Zhou Lu got the gold smoothly. As fragrant ginseng, the whole person becomes more arrogant and domineering. Oppress the people all day. Occupy the fields. Completely forgot the kindness of Ling Hu's 2 sacrifices to help. Another half a year passed. The princess in the palace has a strange disease. The imperial doctors in the palace are all helpless. The emperor was anxious. Invite the wandering Lanzhang into the palace, Langsheng said after reading it. You must use the spirit fox inner pill for drug addiction to save the princess' life. The inner alchemy is the foundation of the spiritual fox's practice. Take the inner alchemy. The fox must die. The emperor immediately decreed to post the imperial list. Who can offer the spirit fox inner alchemy to cure the princess? Recruit to be the concubine. Reward 1,000 acres of fertile land. High-ranking officials. Generations of wealth. Zhou Lu saw the royal list. The whole person is crazy when the consort becomes the court official. This great deed must not be missed. Reach out to take the royal list on the spot. The county official guarding the royal list quickly grabbed him, said it was a great sin to bully the king. If you can't do it, you have to kill your head. Zhou Lu bragged triumphantly. It must be no problem to say that Ling Hu always listens to himself. Handprint on the spot. Issue a military order as soon as you leave the gate of the county government office. Zhou Lu's legs went soft in an instant. He knew it. The fox has been seriously injured twice. This time, taking the inner alchemy is to kill the spirit fox. But the royal list has been accepted. There is no way out. I can only bite the bullet and go up the mountain again. He comforted himself along the way. I feel that the spirit fox is for the sake of grandparents. Will definitely agree again. He didn't think about it at all. I've already put the kindness of Linghu, the net overdraft, to the cave. Zhou slapped hard 3 times. The spirit fox walked out very weakly. The fur is dull, emaciated. I'm about to lose it. He looked at Zhou. There is no warmth in my eyes, and only full of disappointment. Zhou knelt down without saying a word and kept kowtowing, crying and saying that he accepted the royal list. Can't get that order. The whole family will be beheaded, forcing Spirit Fox to save him. The fox was silent for a long time. I finally saw through his unbridled greed. Push an inch. The first 2 helpings were in return for the kindness of several generations. This time, the demand is for his own life. Spirit Fox slowly shook his head, say nothing and refused to agree. Zhou panicked instantly. If it's soft, it won't be hard. Raise the dagger in your hand and want to rush into the cave. Grab the Spirit Fox inner alchemy. But he just took a step. A cold wind suddenly blew around the cave. This is not some evil spell. It is the self-preservation breath that the Spirit Fox has cultivated for many years. He had long seen through Zhou Lu's greed. Nature is hard to change. The first 2 times I helped him, I quietly remembered his breath. Once Zhou Lu becomes murderous, want to snatch the inner alchemy and kill yourself? The self-protection breath of the Spirit Fox will automatically help the cave entrance bounce the wicked away. Zhou Lu can't get close to the hole at all. Instead, he was thrown to the ground. He was paralyzed by pain. He lay on the ground begging. Spirit Fox never looked at him again. Turn around and go back to the hole. Soon, the deadline for the county's inner dan is up. The official went up the mountain to find Zhou Lu. Take him directly. Zhou Lu committed the crime of bullying the king, plus the evil deeds of oppressing the people on weekdays, exposed one by one. Jout. All property confiscated. The whole family is implicated. Miserable end. And that Spirit Fox returned to the depths of the cave to cultivate. No longer interact with the world, silently guarding the entire mountain forest. One must always be grateful. You have to be content. Insatiable. Blindly consume the kindness of others. Take the kindness of others for granted. In the end, it will only be regarded by greed. Eat the consequences.